How to add marketplace to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add marketplace to Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open up Facebook and you're logged in, you can see the marketplace icon at the top. If you don't find this marketplace icon and then you want to add marketplace, well, we don't really add marketplace. These icons are at the top because this is the one I frequently use, so you can't choose which one goes there. The more Facebook notices that you use a certain category frequently, they will add them here. So if you play games often, Facebook will add games over here. If you view the friends often, you'll find a friends option, but you can say I don't have friends option because I don't go there. But to view all of those shortcuts, tap on the menu option from the top right hand side. Then under this you can see more, then tap on see more and you should be able to find marketplace. And the more you use marketplace, then after a while it is going to appear over here. So these icons are simply the ones that you most frequently use. And this is how you can add marketplace to Facebook. Marketplace is already there, you just have to look for it in the shortcuts tab and start using them. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.